Greetings fellow Decepticons, Sandblaster1987 here, continuing my MiniForce X Penta-X-Tron Chinese undersized knockoff reviews with Lucy. For those who don't know, Lucy is the Pink Ranger of the MiniForce team, and her robot form for this combiner turns into a pink cement mixer with a white stripe down the middle of the barrel. Unfortunately, prior to getting this figure ready for review, one of the pegs that keeps this back right wheel in place snapped off in its hole during the last transformation, so unfortunately this is going to be loose forever now. But without further ado, for vehicle mode size comparison, here she is with Leo, the tank robot. I've already reviewed him, link in the description below. So, in order to transform Lucy into her robot form, first what you want to do is disconnect the smokestacks, fuel tanks and robot mode arms from the underside of the cab like so. Then lift up these back wheels here, unpeg them like so. Make sure they're not coming undone from their sockets altogether. Bear with me. Then what you want to do next is bring the arms up on ratchet joints like so. Disconnect the mixing barrel from the waist like so. Rotate the waist 180 degrees. Collapse the waist swivel as much as it'll go. This is a knockoff, so it's not quite fully there yet. Then straighten out the legs, collapse the cab windows into the kneecaps like so. Split the legs. I really don't like the uncomfortable snap sounds these knockoffs make, but bear with me. Then open up the radiator grille to become the feet, like so. These little knobs on the front bumper will become the heel spurs of sorts, so like high-heeled shoes almost. Then straighten out the arms, like so. And the head is already there. Apologies for the mismatched paint on the eyes on this design, it's a knockoff, you've got to bear with me on that one. So, for weapons, the mixing barrel can be removed, and basically, if I can remember how to disconnect it, it's a great bit of a tight connection, this one. Basically, what you do is you disconnect the mixing barrel, fold out these handles like so. Then this swirly bit here is supposed to be like a giant cannon of sorts. So, in order to get Lucy to hold it, oh dear, her arms come off, bear with me. This is the problem with these undersized knockoffs, the joints are not stable. So, what you need to do is get the arms situated like so. Then put the mixing drum into the hands, and now it's a giant cannon. Not quite as effective as the entire arm becoming a mixing barrel cannon that Quick makes from Transformers Cybertron had, but it's something to do with the parts, I suppose. So, while we're talking about movement, articulation-wise, head can swivel ever so slightly left and right, but being a knockoff it's very stiff and will probably break if I force it too much. Shoulders are on mushroom swivels with an upward hinge as well. There's a ball joint at the elbows, and the hands look like they can open and close, but they're not actually hinged, they're just, sculpted that way to trick you. I think the original South Korean version had opening hands, but this one doesn't because, you know, Chinese undersized knockoff and quality control and whatnot, so... Bear with me, I'll get the official the official South Korean one eventually. Waist swivel due to transformation. Ratcheted hips and knee bend. Nothing at the ankles due to the transformation. And also you've got to watch out for counterbalancing because the combiner stump for the leg mode is on the back of the right leg, and obviously the mixing barrel will also be on the back, and this chunk here is the combined mode foot, so you've got to watch the balance when posing this thing. For size comparison, here she is with Leo's tank mode and Sammy's robot mode. So that more or less concludes my review of Lucy, the right leg of the Penta-X-Tron MiniForce combiner. I have been Soundblaster1987. Join me again next time for part 3 where I'll be reviewing Max. Till then, till all are one.